right now to deliver one of the artifacts for the moon wall project, and we are going to Naperville. Just arrived at Blackline. We are here to deliver the Pascal calculator that we created for them. It's one of the artifacts that's going into the moon shot project. So follow me. I want to see what the reaction is. They just seem to have unveiled it to the entire team just now. So let's see what's going on in there. What did you guys think about the piece?
Good.
Yeah?
Awesome.
Yeah, here's one of them right here. This is the Pascal calculator. Check it out.
Nice. How are you?
How you guys doing?
Cool.
Oh, that's pretty cool, man. Yeah. Is it dry?
Yeah, you can grab it from underneath. Yeah. Let me help you. Here it is. The first artifact is in. Okay, so here we are. This is the other relic. It's the dawn of the internet fiber optic model. So you can see it actually can change as a remote control. It looks pretty cool on that shelf. And then over here is Pascal calculator. This is the step on the moon. We're gonna run video through here, and there'll be another video here.
Oh yeah, I mean, well, the colors match up. This is next level stuff. Love it.
Black line blue.